All right, ready. Go ahead. I got the camera on, honey. Just to show a little bit of this arrow straight trail. Oh yeah. Yep, there are. Whatever. We'll go 3 miles or so, and then we'll stop and take a break. Get some feeling back in your butt. Alright, what are we crossing? 6.5 miles. Okay. Alright, we just made it to the bridges. This is 12 miles from the parking lot. Our furthest yet. Apparently there are a couple of bridges up here. We'll come to the first one because we said our turnaround was going to be at 12-mile mark. There's Sandy. Say wave.
I am in Lake County.
Yep, Sandy's standing in Lake County.
Larry's in Polk County.
I am in Polk County. Got some bikers coming.
Standing all right, people on the
Yep. Yep.
Maybe not. I don't know. Hey guys,
Hey.
we should be crossing anything.
I'm just going to walk down the bridge a little bit. Supposedly there's gators in here. Thick brush. So Sandy really wanted to get here.
One way, baby.
12 miles since we left the parking lot. So
One way.
we got 12 miles to return. And well, you can't see it, but the bridge that we were standing on is down there, and it looks like there's another bridge up here. We'll probably hit that before we turn around.
Oh,
So
really?
just wanted to show you 12 miles.
Woo! Yeah.
All right, we just rode across the second bridge. Gonna have a quick look up here. Maybe we see some gators. This is all part of the green swamp. It's a preserve. It's part of the watershed. Very nice out here. And here's a gator. Small baby one. I don't know if you can see him. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Oh, it's getting fuzzy. Little baby gator down there. He's just looking at me. I don't see any others. I don't see his mama. Nope, don't see any more. Just a little baby down there. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. Come on back down, and now we'll start the 12-mile trip back. It's been a good ride so far. We will catch you at the end. See ya. We're on our way back, and we just crossed mile 8.4, so we got 8.4 more miles to go before we hit the parking lot.
8.5.
She says 8.5. We're coming to the end of our trip. About another quarter of a mile or so, it'll be 24 miles round trip. And Sandy sees it. She's coming up behind me. Yeah. Hey, go by me. So people can see you. There she goes. Miles an hour. Woo! Here we are, mile marker 0. Yeehaw! 399 miles I have. Where are you going? Really? Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh, and we made it.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't want to stop him. You know, I had like 2 miles left to go.
Oh, I know. I know. Still got the camera running. 'Cause I want to show. I almost made 400 miles. There's Sandy after 24 miles.
191.
191 miles she has on her bike. I got 399 on mine.
Oh.
Plenty of battery left. Let's see.
25.
25
is.
miles. I don't think we can see that on here, but
Yeah, wait a
shows
minute.
25 miles.
24.8. I'm calling it 25.
24.8.
I'm
Oh,
calling it 25, baby.
good job, hon. Say goodbye. One trip under our belt.